Unique in this part of Ireland is the game of bullet throwing or bowling. On most Sunday afternoons, players and public will assemble just outside the city for a game. The rules are fairly simple. The object is to see who can throw the bullet from point A to point B, a couple of miles at least, in the fewest number of throws. There's keen rivalry between Armagh and Cork, the only other place where this is played. One ballad tells of how Dan McParland, the hero of Armagh, was matched with the invincible Mick of Cork for the All-Ireland crown.
Now when Danny and his followers arrived near Dublin Hill, the Cork men saw them coming and got ready for a kill. We'll leave you odds of 2 to 1 or 5 to 2, they'd say, for the beating of our Mickey boy is not in Cork today. Well, the honours were divided for 3/4 of the score, till Mickey sent one through the clouds and made a mighty roar. It went right o'er a farmhouse, oh, this was one for the bards. But McParland sent his nice and low and bid it 50 yards. Now before they reached the finish, sure everyone had seen, McParland was the master and his backers not so green. His last bowl like a rocket sped upon a winning way. 3 cheers for young McParland, he's the hero of the day.